Welcome. In this video, we're going to walk through a quick and easy guide on how to unpin a chat on WhatsApp Web on your PC using the latest update. If you've been trying to tidy up your chat list or remove a pinned conversation, this simple method will help you do it in just a few seconds. Let's get started. First, open WhatsApp Web on your computer. You can do this by going to your regular browser and visiting the WhatsApp web page, or by opening the desktop app if you have it installed. Once you're in, make sure you're logged into your account by scanning the QR code with your phone. Next, take a look at the left side of your screen. This is where all your chats appear. You'll notice that any chat you previously pinned now stays at the top of the list with a small pin icon beside it. If you've pinned multiple chats, they'll all appear in this section, keeping them above the rest of your conversations. Now, to unpin a chat, simply find the conversation you want to remove from the top. Move your cursor over that chat and right-click on it. A small menu will pop up with several options. Here, select Unpin Chat. Once you do this, that chat will immediately move back down into your regular chat list, sorted by the most recent messages. And that's it, you've successfully unpinned a chat on WhatsApp Web. It's quick, clean, and helps you stay organized, especially if you don't need certain conversations fixed at the top anymore. If you ever change your mind, you can easily pin any chat again. Just right-click the chat and choose Pin Chat, and it'll move right back to the top. Managing your pinned chats is a great way to keep your WhatsApp web tidy. Focus on what's most important and make sure your chat list doesn't feel cluttered. Thanks for watching.